Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I've taken the opportunity to announce on my YouTube channel that I've got big news and that I've officially passed my Exempt Market Dealer certification. And this is going to change the way I help people invest in real estate big time. If you've ever wondered how to access private real estate deals, things the public don't get to see, well, this is for you. Well, as a realtor here in Ottawa, as of this week, I am officially certified to represent Exempt Market Products in Canada, more specifically in Ontario. That means I can now connect qualified investors with private real estate opportunities that have been historically out of reach. This is the next chapter for me personally, and I'm pumped to bring you along. In Canada, most investments go through public channels, like the stock exchange, for example, or the stock market, or REITs, which you can buy through your local bank. But there's a whole other world called the exempt market, where private companies raise capital from qualified investors without public prospectus. This is where developers, private REITs, and alternative investment firms live, and they offer some serious opportunities when structured properly. All right, so why does this matter? Right now, interest in private real estate investing is skyrocketing, and for good reason. Investors are looking for ways to diversify outside of traditional stocks, GICs, and over-leveraged residential flips. At the same time, Ottawa, like most of Canada, is facing a housing supply crisis, especially in the missing middle, where the duplexes, fourplexes, and the mid-density housings that will fill the gap between the condos and single-family homes. Ottawa needs 151,000 new homes by 2031 just to meet the projected demand, according to CMHC. Missing middle housing is currently less than 5% of the new builds. Private capital and infill development will be key to closing that gap. This is where exempt market capital comes in, helping fund the kind of development Ottawa needs to build more housing and solve the affordability crisis. All right, so what's next for me personally and for you as viewers of the channel? Well, now that I've gotten my certification, the next step for me personally is choosing the dealer that I'll be working under. And that's where I'll be sourcing and structuring the deals that I'll be bringing forward. But I won't just be offering investments to this channel. I'll be showcasing local builders, upcoming projects, and breaking down real opportunities that support growth in our community. So aside from the regular content that I post on my YouTube channel, I'll also be highlighting developers that are building missing middle housing here in Ottawa. I'll also be diving into how these deals are structured, how risk is managed, and what you need to qualify for these investments. And I'll also show you how private investments can directly impact housing supply, not just for ROI, but for community growth. All right, so if you're an investor who's tired of the traditional playbook or just curious about how to diversify through real estate, now's the time to start learning. I'll be sharing updates as I go, and when the right opportunities come up, I'll make sure you're amongst the first to know. These are investments backed by real property, real development, and real impact. And I want to bring as many people into this space responsibly as I possibly can. All right, that's it for me this week. Very, very short video this week. I just wanted to keep you posted on what's happening with me personally. If you want to learn more about these investments and what's happening in that section of the market, along with the regular real estate stuff, obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel. This allows me to put more content out. And of course, go to marcboulangerrealty.com. Yes, I need an overhaul on my website. It is severely lacking, but I am working on that right now. I will be updating that shortly. There's going to be more announcements coming up from that side as well. And I'll be putting content out on a weekly basis. So more importantly to all of that, you have a link to my calendar. Book a 30-minute consultation call with me. Let me know what you're interested in from the traditional sense, from a real estate perspective, and or from the exempt market dealer side as well, on the private side. So either way, let me know. Let's quickly chit chat and let me know if I can help you in any kind of way, and I look forward to it. So until the next video, take care.